Happy evening, all of you. I am Professor Anand Kumar Das. I have 25 plus years of experience in teaching, training, counseling, and consulting. To know more about me, please visit our website. Today, again, I am going to share with you all finishing corporate part 3. I have already given 2 videos on this. As I promised, I will be making learning and development video now onward on each topic, whatever under Apeksha group, under the 3 institutions what I am going to offer through online mode or offline mode for your learning, for your knowledge, information, exposure. So this is finishing corporate part 3. Now under this, how to face an interview. This is very important. You are supposed to know, all fresh and experienced students supposed to know, even it's not too late if you don't know. Before the interview, on the day of interview, and after the interview. These are the 3 things which you are supposed to remember and take into consideration very specifically, very seriously. Before the interview means day before the interview, what you are supposed to do. R&D on institutions and organization means research and development. Basic research on institution organization for which you are going for an interview. Okay, find out what they do, how it works, who are the CEO, MD, director, what are their modus operandi. These are the things you are supposed to know. What are the salary they are giving, in which business they are, how many branches are there. These are this small basic information you are supposed to find out. Then comes sample questions, because what aptitude in the aptitude part, what they are going to ask, if they have given any free download on their website, please download that sample questions. Expectations of institutions or organization, they have nowadays, not nowadays, I think for last 10 to 15 years, most of the institution organizations on their website, they are giving expectations from the candidate, what exactly they are expecting from the candidate, what are the types of candidate they are looking for, what exactly the quality they are looking for. Everything matters a lot. Go by that, find out. Then comes, which is very important, covering letter, 3 copies of covering letter and 3 copies of resume. In the next video, I will tell you all what is the difference between covering letter, resume, CV and profile. Okay, but as of now, 3 copies of covering letter you should have and 3 copies of resume. As a fresh candidate, if you are an experienced candidate, you will have to make your CV if you have even more than 1 year of experience. Then comes pen, pencil, sharpener, eraser, and always remember, don't forget refilling. Yes, I have seen in my life students are coming, means bringing pen, but there is no ink, no refill. So please be sure that yes, pen is having refill. If it is ink pen, then ink should be there, pencil and sharpener, eraser should be there with you for giving aptitude exams. Then your dressing is very important. Dressing gives you 50% success in any interview, always remember. So always prefer blue or black pant, shirt, not shirt exactly, pant, because it should be dark actually. So blue, black pant, trouser, but shirt it should be white, blue, navy blue, sky blue, cream shirt. For girls also the same color, if you will try at least. Even if you are going by pant, shirt, belt, bag, attach, it's very good, no problem at all, very nice. Handkerchief you should have. If you are getting sweating or something, definitely you are not supposed to wipe yours with the help of your hand. You should have handkerchief with you. Then socks, blue or black socks, that is very important and should be fresh. Then go to bed early. Always remember, just the day before the interview, it should not be 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock in the night. Always by 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, you are supposed to go to bed, so that you are supposed to get up early in the morning and go through, brush up some of the basics, and then again go through some R&D on the on institution organization and try to find out what they are exactly looking for. Okay, then this is before the interview, just day before the interview. Now on the day of interview, now you are ready. Say for example, you got up early in the morning by 5 o'clock. Now what you are supposed to do? Very first thing, no alcohol. I have seen most of this. I have seen most of the students drinking in the morning, forgetting energy, or they are not getting easy or something like that, not feeling good in the morning. Uh, So no alcohol, no garlic, no onion. Always remember, no alcohol, no garlic, no onion. Clear? Neat and clean pressed dress. Neat and clean iron dress or pressed dress. Avoid tight fitting any trousers, pant, jeans, skirt, shirt, or whatever it is. Then for girls, skirt should not above 2 inches. Always remember, it should not be very short. Appropriate or adequate length it should be. For boys also, pant, trouser should be of appropriate length. Tie must touch the belt buckle. For boys, girls, if you are wearing tie, tie must touch the belt buckle. Always remember. Take shower, take bath. Okay, that is very important. Brush your teeth, cut your nails. That is very important. These are the things. Fresh socks. It should not be 5 or 10 days old socks. Polished shoes. That is very important. Polished shoes and gentle perfume, and try to avoid very high jewelry, hosiery or whatever it may be. Avoid all those things. It's a gentle jewelry, gentle perfume, which is very pleasant perfume actually, I will say, you are supposed to use. Okay, so that they should not get irritated by this. And at last but not the least, always you should have black or blue bag with you. Always remember, so that you can keep your outfits in that particular bag and go confidently and appear for an interview and reach the venue at least 30 minutes before. Always recommended. That is on the day of interview. And after the interview, don't worry and be happy. Say thank you to the interviewer with a smiling face. Okay? Shake hand if they raise hand first. You are not supposed to raise your hand. Always remember, if they are raising the hands, only then you are supposed to take their hands, shake the hands formally, and with you can say very intelligently also. That is very important. And if you think you were not able to give, or your interview has not been very good or appropriate, so chin up. Don't worry. Be happy. There are next interview for you. Something is better than nothing. Or you can say this is not the last opportunity for you. So geared up for the next interview. So you are supposed to follow these simple fundamental before the interview. Before means just one day before the interview, on the day of interview, and after the interview. Just follow all these things and you will see you will be selected within that particular day of your very first attempt. Nobody is going to reject you if you go through all these simple tips, tricks and techniques. Thank you so much. God bless you.